La Fuerza Aérea Americana reveló un audio donde dos pilotos de dos aerolíneas comerciales aseguran haber visto un ovni volando los cielos de Tucson, Arizona. Esto se lo hicieron saber al control de tráfico aéreo en Nuevo México. Y este es el audio.
Was anybody above us that passed us like 30 seconds ago?
Number 71 Papa Golf negative.
Okay. Something. A UFO. Yeah.
American 1095, let me know if you see anything pass over you here in the next 15 miles.
You know if anything passes over?
American 1095, affirmative. We had an aircraft in front of you that's 37 that reported something pass over him, and we didn't have any targets, so just let me know if you see anything pass over you.
I don't know what it was. It wasn't an airplane, but it passed us going opposite direction. It's American 1095. Yeah, something just passed over us. Like don't know what it was, but it's at least 3,000 feet above us. Yeah, it passed right over the top of us.
Okay, American 1095, thank you. And American 1095, can you tell if it was in motion or just hovering?
Make it out whether it was a balloon or whatnot, but it was just really either bright or had a big reflection on it, several thousand feet above us, going opposite directions. Was it a Google balloon? Tesla. UFO.